Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XRP coin. After this drop, many cryptocurrencies have completed the big bullish reversal patterns for the long-term move, and XRP is one of them. And this is the idea that I shared on 30th of May at the Patreon when the price action of XRP completed a very big bullish reversal bat move. And not only this, I am also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me there, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, let me show you this chart. And we can see at that time the price action just completed this final leg of this bullish bat move here and reversed back. And when I shared this idea at that time, it was moving above the buying zone at 87.9 cents, and I was expecting that it will give us another chance to catch it from the buying zone if Bitcoin will be moved down to test $30,000 support level. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that the price action moved down at the very end of this buying zone, and it is reversed back. And at this time, even at this time, it is moving at the very end of this buying zone at 62 cents. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then here we can see that the price action has a very strong support zone that starts from 60 cents, and then we have this 40-cent support after this 60 cents on the weekly long-term chart, and the price line has been moving between the 60 to 40 cents here. Like previously, it has been working as a good support and resistance. Like here, this 60 cents has been working as a good resistance, and here it has been working as a resistance, and now it is working as a very nice support. And if we take a look at the 40 cents support level, then here it has been working for many weeks as a support. Therefore, this level, this is a very strong support zone for the long term for the price line of XRP. However, at this time, we can see that for the long time period, the price line is not able to break down this 60-cent support, and now it is being accumulated above this support of 60 cents. Now, I want to show you the different simple moving averages on the long-term weekly time frame chart. Then we have very good support structure of the simple moving averages as well. Like, and below this 60-cent support, we have this 50 simple moving average support on the weekly time frame chart. That is very strong support. And previously in my chart, I have already shown you. Let me show you in the chart. Here I have shown that we have a very good support of 50 simple moving average. And with the passage of time, you can see that the 50 simple moving average moved up, and it is providing a very nice support the price line now, same as like the Bitcoin is having on the weekly time frame chart, a very nice support of the 50 simple moving average weekly. Now, after 50 simple moving average support, we have this 200 simple moving average support between the 60 and 40 cent support and resistance levels. Then we have exactly where we have the 40-cent support, we have the 100 simple moving average support as well. And here we can see we have already received a bull cross, a golden cross between the 50 and the 200 simple moving average. And when this golden cross was being formed, we can see at that time we had a very nice rally towards the upside, and after this cross the price action moved down. But we are still having very nice support of this golden cross of this 50 and 200 simple moving averages. And now the 100 simple moving average is also moving up. And once this 100 simple moving average will also form a bull cross with the 200 simple moving average, that can also produce another rally towards the upside, because the 100 simple moving average is the smaller one and the 200 is the bigger one. And when the smaller moving average crosses up the bigger time period moving average, that is considered as a buying signal. And on the long term weekly time frame chart, the bull cross between the 200 and the 100 simple moving averages will be a very strong buying signal. Like previously we have seen a very powerful rally towards the upside. Now I want to show you a very strong buying signal that is getting appeared on this weekly time frame chart, and that is the stochastic oscillator. And after a long time period, after the month of January, the price action is, and the stochastic has entered in the oversold zone. And previously, when we received the bull cross, like this buying signal, when this blue line crossed up this red line here, then we received the buying signal, and after that, we had a very, very powerful rally towards the upside. And at the same time, we also received the buying signal by this MACD indicator as well. You can see in the month of January, it was very, very strong bearish here. And here it turned weak bearish from bullish. That was the first buying signal by the MACD. And then we have seen that the price action turned very, very strong bullish. And now again, after a long time period, after this drop, the stochastic is again oversold. And we have still this MACD very, very strong bearish. Once it will be start turning bullish like it was turned here, and not here, here, from not here, here, from bearish to bullish, then the price action will start a very, very powerful rally towards the upside. There are strong chances that the price line will start a very powerful rally towards the upside like previously the price action did. So this is a very, very beautiful combination on the long-term charts I use, and these indicators are available free of cost on the different platforms, especially on the TradingView. And everybody can use these indicators. Therefore, I just try to make it as simple as possible. I don't use the complex indicators. So this is the movement I'm waiting for, that once this MACD will be started turning bullish like it was turned bullish here, then we can expect the price line will be again turned very, very strong bullish like it was turned bullish here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.